What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 7th episode, and welcome to the channel if you're just joining us, where we're taking this 2018 Suzuki M109 Boulevard, customizing it with parts you and I can buy and are relatively easy to install, and then we're giving it away on Patreon. So make sure you follow the links in the About section of my channel to see how you can enter to win this bike. So let's get into it. Like I said before, we're doing a crazy amount of lights on this bike, and it's going to be all over the bike itself, front to back. So we're going to start with the front and rear fenders. The XKGlow kit that I got allows you to have 2 zones. So I'm going to make the front wheel and the rear wheel a zone of their own, so you'll be able to make the front tires a different color than the rear tires. So we're going to start with the rear fender first. We're going to get some lights up underneath the cowl. The plastics are off. That way we can route our wiring up underneath the plastic. There's one thing I hate, is seeing where the wiring is going. So we're going to do the rear, the tail, and then we're going to do the front fender. Should look awesome. So there we have a little bit of the rear tail section that's done. And again, this is nothing crazy. Gives a little different of a look. So the next thing we're going to do is put lights in the front here, so we can get that front cowl on, and then put lights on the rest of the body underneath and all around, and we should be close to getting done. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started on installing the lights in this front fender here, which will go there, and again they'll be the same color as the rear fender lights. So there we have the front fender wired up. Now we're just going to clean up this wiring here, and the front and back will be done. Here's how it looks in the dark. Again, this is a million color kit from XKGlow. Looks pretty good. You see the lights in there. The rear. We're going to go ahead and install these strips underneath, and see how they look. Alright, now that we've got the underside on, we're going to put lights in the front cowl area, so this will go right here on each side. So we'll put some lights in here and get this on. We got the underside on, we got the front grill on. See a little bit going on there. We can get started installing the Demon's Eye bulb into the headlight. So the bulb from XKGlow fits right into the stock position, as you can see, and the wire that keeps the stock bulb in also works to keep this in. You just got to move the bulb and finagle it around a little bit, but it'll go back into its stock position. So that's really nice that that fits in there and everything fastens in properly. So let's see what else we have to hook up here. So this looks like this goes from this fitting right here clips on there, and then this goes into your stock harness, which also is pretty nice. So we have the headlight hooked up, a little bit of what it looks like, and this is also controlled by your Bluetooth app. There's also a button here where you can change it manually. All kinds of different colors. We're gonna finish hooking it up and go from there. Well, there you have it, folks. Lights are all on. So as you can see, the rear wheel is one color. We got the body of the bike, and underneath the bike another color. Front's the same as the back. And then here's the Demon Eye. And like I said, this is all controlled by an app. I can change this and change the front wheel. Change the color of the Demon Eye. Anything I want. Blue, green, a million different colors. You can use strobes. There's a breath mode. There's a strobe mode. Pretty cool stuff. And like I said, the rest of the body can move independently.